Apple has finally refreshed its base model AirPods after several years, introducing two new versions, one with active noise cancellation and one without. This is a significant shift, as ANC was previously an exclusive feature reserved for the AirPods Pro. With this update, the new AirPods are now competing more closely with the Pro lineup. However, there's still a distinction, as only the higher-end models feature ANC. The standard AirPods 4 serve as a direct successor to the second-generation AirPods, bringing an updated design alongside other improvements. Let's break down the key differences between the new AirPods 4 and the AirPods Pro 2nd Gen. A more subtle difference in the AirPods lineup lies in the charging case functionality. The AirPods 4 come with a basic USB-C charging case that doesn't support wireless charging at all. But now it is more compact than ever. On the other hand, the AirPods 4 with active noise cancellation offers a USB-C case that supports wireless charging via key chargers or an Apple Watch charger. This case also features a built-in speaker for the Find My feature. The AirPods Pro 2, however, comes with the most advanced charging case. It includes MagSafe support, allowing the case to magnetically align with MagSafe chargers for easier charging. Additionally, the AirPods Pro case has an integrated lanyard loop, a feature not found on the AirPods 4 cases. The AirPods 4 with active noise cancellation marks the first time Apple's non-in-ear earbuds include noise-canceling technology. However, it's important to note that the noise cancellation won't be as powerful as what's found in the AirPods Pro. According to Apple, the AirPods Pro can cancel noise about twice as effectively as the AirPods 4. While we'll need to test this ourselves, based on Apple's specifications, the noise-canceling performance of the AirPods 4 is expected to be similar to that of the first-generation AirPods Pro. Beyond that, the two models share most of the same features. Both the AirPods Pro 2 and the AirPods 4 are powered by the H2 chip and offer noise control features like transparency mode, adaptive audio, and conversation awareness. These features automatically adjust or manage the noise cancellation based on your environment. It's worth mentioning that the standard AirPods model does not include active noise cancellation, and therefore lacks support for any of the noise control features. The AirPods 4 without noise cancellation offer the same battery life as the AirPods 3, providing up to 5 hours of listening time on a single charge. However, when active noise cancellation is turned on, the battery life of the AirPods 4 drops to just 4 hours per charge. This is a notable difference from the AirPods Pro, which can deliver up to 6 hours of listening time with noise cancellation enabled. If long battery life is a key priority for you, the AirPods 4 might not be the best choice. On the bright side, the charging case for all models can recharge the earbuds around 6 times, giving up to 30 hours of total listening time. The most affordable option in the AirPods lineup is the AirPods 4, priced at $129. If you want active noise cancellation, the AirPods 4 with ANC will cost $179. Meanwhile, the AirPods Pro 2 are listed at $249, Apple's website, though they can often be found at lower prices elsewhere. In comparison, upgrading from the base AirPods 4 to the ANC model costs an extra $50, which includes noise cancellation and the upgraded charging case. The AirPods Pro 2 are $70 more than the ANC version, offering an in-ear design, longer battery life, volume control swipe gestures, and the benefits of a MagSafe compatible case. The AirPods Pro 2 also comes with a USB-C cable, while the AirPods 4 require you to provide your own. The new AirPods 4 with noise cancellation offers a solid option for Apple users who prefer wireless earbuds without the discomfort of in-ear tips. They provide a good balance of features, including some level of noise cancellation in noisy environments, and at $179 present a good value. That said, the AirPods Pro 2 remains the top choice, offering superior noise cancellation, longer battery life, and a touch sensor on the stem for adjusting volume, though they come at a $70 premium. Additionally, upcoming features like hearing tests, hearing aid support, and hearing protection will be exclusive to the AirPods Pro when they launch later this year. That's all for today. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and share with your friends. Subscribe to our channel for more content like this on your feed.